Risks of installing APK files on Samsung Smart TV.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about a topic that many of you may have questions about: the risks associated with installing APK files on your Samsung Smart TV. APK files, or Android Package Kit files, can potentially open up a whole new world of applications for your Smart TV, but they also carry certain risks that you should be aware of.
What is an APK file?
An APK file is essentially an application or app that has been designed for the Android platform. Just like an exe file on a Windows computer, you can use an APK file to install an application on an Android device, such as a smartphone or a smart TV running on Android.
Are there risks associated with installing APK files?
Yes, there are several risks associated with installing APK files, especially if they're not from a trusted source like the Google Play Store. The risks include: 1. Malware. APK files downloaded from unofficial sources might contain harmful software that can infect your device, compromise your privacy, or cause your device to malfunction. 2. Data theft. Some malicious APKs are designed to steal sensitive information from your device. This could include credit card information, login credentials, or private photos and videos. 3. Loss of warranty. If you install APK files on your Samsung Smart TV, Samsung might not cover certain types of damage under the warranty, as you've technically tampered with the device's original software. 4. Performance issues. Unofficial apps can cause performance issues on your device, causing it to slow down or crash.
How can I protect myself?
While the risks associated with APK files can be daunting, there are measures you can take to protect yourself. 1. Download from trusted sources. Only download APK files from trusted sources. This includes official app stores like the Google Play Store. 2. Research the developer. Look up information about the app's developer. If they have a good reputation and positive reviews, it's less likely that the app will contain malware. 3. Read permissions carefully. When installing an APK, read through the permissions it requests. If they seem excessive or unrelated to the app's functionality, it's best to not install the app. 4. Use security software. Install a reliable security app on your device. These apps can detect and remove malicious software. In conclusion, while APK files can give you access to a vast array of applications not normally available on your Samsung Smart TV, the risks associated with them can't be ignored. Always be careful and take the necessary precautions when dealing with APK files. Stay safe and informed, and enjoy your Smart TV experience to the fullest.